Hi everyone, it's Dave here from Mantis Property. Today I'll be talking about how to create and market to custom audiences. Custom audiences allow you to save specific search criteria which can then be reused in future searches and to send email and SMS campaigns to. The advantages of the custom audiences are that they'll save you a huge amount of time in your day-to-day marketing. Custom audiences are always up to date with whatever the search criteria is set in them for, which means that when you send an email campaign or an SMS campaign to a custom audience, it will always be up to date with whatever contacts meet that criteria. Okay, to get started, I'm going to show you how to create your first custom audience. To do this, click on Contacts on the left and then click on Search Edit Contacts. Now, if you've used the search facility before, you'd be familiar with this area where you can type in things like name, organisation, email, suburb, location, any of that sort of thing to search your contacts database based on certain criteria. One thing that we've got in here too is a listing search where you can choose whether you want to search for people that have inquired or attended inspections of a specific listing, or whether they're vendors of a specific property or tenants of a specific property. When you select this, then you can come and select the listing type, the listing status, and then the listing address. In the listing address, you can start typing the name of a specific address, and a drop down will appear where you can select a specific listing. Or you can type suburb names too, or states, or anything you want there if you want your search to be broader. This is a good area to create a custom audience for everybody that's attended an inspection or made an inquiry on a specific listing. By doing this, you can then remarket sending emails and SMS campaigns to those people until the property is sold or leased. Once you've set up all of your search criteria, you can either click search to do a search and confirm who's in that list, or you can go straight down to the bottom where it says custom audiences and you just give it a name that you will remember this custom audience by. So we'll type test here. Then in the drop down next to this, you can select whether you want it to be available to all salespeople that are using your Mantis Property account or just a specific salesperson in your account. Once you're ready, just click Save Audience. That will save immediately, and then you can check your audience at any time by scrolling back up to the top of the search facility and clicking on Search Custom Audience. In here it will show any saved custom audiences that you have, and you can do things like click View Results to do a search on that specific custom audience, export results to a spreadsheet, or click Delete to if you no longer need that custom audience. If we click View Results on one of these, you'll see it just pops up straight away. These are the people that match that criteria of that specific custom audience. Now, the next step with the custom audiences is you're able to send emails or SMSs to these specific custom audiences, which will save you a lot of time in your marketing. Here we'll go into email marketing and we'll create a new campaign. We'll give the campaign a name. Here we can choose whether we want the campaign to come from the default agency email address or a specific agent in your organisation. In the subject, you can type in a subject. If you have a template that's already built, you can select a template, otherwise just click Continue. This will then take you to the edit screen where you can prepare the content of your email marketing that's going to go out. Here you will see preview text where you can type in what will be the preview when people are previewing the email on their phone or smaller device. You can also select a listing that you want to send from the drop down box, start typing the address, and it will auto populate, so you can select listings and you can add as many listings as you want. You add them to your template, scroll all the way down. Once you've saved, then you can come down here to the Send Your Campaign section. In here, you have the new areas of custom audiences. Here you can tick one or multiple custom audiences to send this campaign to. You can also restrict it to sending out to contacts that are assigned to all salespeople or specific salespeople, and you can also use your groups as you have been able to before. So you can essentially send a email campaign out to all contacts that match any of these criteria. Down here we've got a section where you can click a button to calculate how many recipients will get that email. So if we scroll up here and we select one of our custom audiences and then click calculate recipients, within seconds it processes it. Show us here there's 3 contacts with email addresses detected in that custom audience. Then you can simply click send campaign now to send it out to them straight away, or you can use the schedule campaign facility over on the right to schedule it for a certain date and time that you want it to go out. The same feature also exists in SMS marketing. If we go into SMS marketing and create a new campaign, here we can type the name of the campaign, choose who it's from, add a listing to it, and then type your message. Click continue. And then again, when you scroll down, you'll see the send campaign area, and here's where you can select the custom audiences, groups, and restrictions to salespeople that you want to send to. If I click a custom audience here and scroll down, you can click calculate campaign cost. That will go through and detect any valid mobile numbers within the contacts that suit the criteria you've selected, and it'll tell you straight away there's one contact with a mobile number here. The message will cost a total of 1 SMS credits to send, and then you can send the campaign or schedule it for another time. So that's basically it for custom audiences. Hopefully that will save you a lot of time rather than searching and importing and exporting data just to get the right audience to target to. Thanks for using Mantis Property.